everyone. Good afternoon. So, thank you all for being here today. So, today's talk is about unlocking the worlds of NFTs, exploring the potential. So, get ready with your seatbelts. So, without any delay, we'll move to the session. Okay, so let me give a quick overview of today's agenda. So, first, we are going to have a small introduction to our session. Then, we'll look at what exactly is NFT, what makes them unique and all. Then, we are going to explore one of the leading NFT marketplace. Then, we are going to discuss about the technical aspects of NFTs. Then, we are talk about real world examples. Uh, like how NFT is coming in nowadays. So then we are gonna jump into a big topic, metaverse. So I have shortened that topic also. Yeah. So let's start. So I have showcased two pictures in the slide. So these are two famous NFTs. So does anyone know about this? So let me tell about that. So the left picture is NFT artwork, which is Park's NFT artwork called Merge. So which is sold for $91.8 million back in December 2021. And it went auction in Nifty Gateway platform. So we'll discuss about the platform and all later. The right side one is another famous artwork. It called Everyday, the first 500 days. So, which is created by Beeple, and it sold for $69.3 million on 21st February 2021. So, you can have some ideas like why these NFTs are cost a lot and what's the benefit of these and all. So, without delaying, we'll talk about what is NFT. Okay, so NFT is a type of digital asset that represent ownership or proof of authenticity of a unique item, such as artwork, music, videos, virtual real estates, or even virtual items in video games. So NFTs are non-fungible tokens, so we can't exchange this in a one-to-one basis. So cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum are fungible tokens, so we can exchange them in a likely basis. So I have mentioned two words like fungible token and non-fungible tokens. So let's discuss about them first. So token is divided into two. One is fungible token and non-fungible token. So token means it's a digital representations of a real world assets. Okay. So fungible token is interchangeable with other tokens of the same type. Let's say you are in an exam hall. Okay. So your friend forget to bring a pencil. So you help him with giving your pencil. Okay. So he forgot to return it, but next day he borrowed another pencil from the shop and he gave it to you. So now the pencil is not same as you gave, but you exchange the pencil, but still you can write with the same pencil. It has the same value before its owner is someone, and now it's the owner of the pencil is you. So pencil is a fungible token here because you can exchange it. Okay. So let me give another more related example like movie ticket. Okay. So you and your brother or someone bought a movie ticket together to go for a famous movie. Okay. So but in that day, unfortunately, your brother got caught up some with work. So you ask your friend. Okay. So your friend is accompanying you with the movie. So here you bought the movie ticket for someone and you are going with someone, but the movie ticket place not gonna check with whom you are gonna come to, with whom you bought it. So it's exchangeable. So if we are not going, we can exchange it with another person. So these are fungible tokens. So we can exchange and it can go to someone's hand or like that. Okay. So non-fungible token means it represents ownership or proof of authenticity of a unique item. Let's say ID card. So the same example, you are going to the exam hall and you forget your ID card. Okay. So your friend is finished the exam sometime before, like she sit for another module. So it finished early. So can you borrow the ID card from your friend and go to the exam hall? It can't happen, no, because ID card is belong to one person because it has a unique value. Uh, and it's unique for the person to person. So NFTs are like that. It's very unique and it's belong to some owners. Okay, so if we need to change the ownership, it has some process. So we can't exchange like with the someone I like. We can't just give and take. So those are the fungible tokens. So sorry, non-fungible token. So let's move to the next topic, OpenSea. So OpenSea is one of the leading NFT marketplace in the digital world. So this platform helps creators, collectors, and enthusiasts to buy, sell, and discover their uh, unique digital assets. So it's a decentralized platform built on blockchain technology. That means it don't have any centralized authority, so no controls. So which we can take banks. So banks, those are centralized platforms. So only it decide when you can take your own money, and the governments also do part on it, and they can block your money, they can freeze your money. So but in decentralized platform, we don't get any third parties control. So only you are the one in charge of your asset. You need to protect your asset, and it's all the controls is belong to you. Okay. So primarily, OpenSea is operated by Ethereum blockchain. So let's go to the OpenSea and look how it's okay. OpenSea. So in OpenSea, seller can list their NFTs by creating their account. So you can have your own account, and here you can connect your wallet. So with the MetaMask or Coinbase wallet. So here we are having so many categories. So let's say art category. So in that we have lots of arts. So and also they will rank the trending art profiles. So you can see them here. Lots of trending games and all. So let's go one of these. So here inside that you can see Dustland. So he's one of the creator here. So he you can see all of the NFT that he made, and the prices are given below. Okay. So you can search by one of the accounts that you know. Let's say CryptoPunks. So CryptoPunks is one of the famous NFT. So here you can see CryptoPunks NFTs. I think they are famous because they have 10,000 different characteristic NFTs. So these are the NFTs. And also here you can like filter it. Like if you give female, you will get all the female CryptoPunk characters. And if you need zombies, you can filter them. And with accessories also, you can filter it them with the earrings, I'd say. So all the NFTs will come with earrings. So basically, they are just coded in the smart contracts. That's why we are having so many filters. Okay, so let's go inside this CryptoPunk NFT. So you can see the pricing, how it came like in July 17th and until Jan 8, how the price goes and the highs and downs you can see. And also here you can see the accessories that had like big shades and earring, zombie character and all. So they will put all the details about that zombie. Okay. And you can see the transaction, what they made through that NFT through Etherscan. So we can say the transaction hash code here. So the transaction was success. I think someone bought the NFT. So the transaction is very successful there. So the timestamp is here. So it was transferred on July 2021. So from this account, so this is the owner account, and then this is the who bought this, so his account, and we can see the transaction fees, gas price. Gas price will we will fix the gas price in smart contracts, so how much it will cut, like we will have some ETH 0.01, like it's depend on the developer, so we can fix that. So likewise we can see all the details about the transaction. This is not belong to us, but still we can see that is the one best things in blockchain. So you can see who transfer to whom. Now this one is belong to whom. Likewise, we can see all of the stuff. Okay. So let's continue. And also, yeah. So I think I already mentioned about Etherscan. Even you can try for crypto cybercons. So they are also one of the famous NFT. So it also about monkeys. And there is another one called apes. So you can see those NFTs in the browser. So let's talk about the technical aspect of NFTs, because understanding the technical aspects of blockchain is very important, because it only can give clear picture of how NFT work, why they offer unique benefits in digital worlds likewise. So the first one is transparency, immutability, and removal of intermediaries. So NFT relies on blockchain technology, which provides transparency and immutability. So in the OpenSea also we can see the transparency, because we can see the all the transaction who made and for which amount and what is the gas price that cost. Likewise, we can see all the stuff, no? Yeah. And we already know blockchain is a decentralized and transparent ledger that records and verifies transaction. Because of this, NFT don't require any intermediaries like art galleries or auction houses. So everyone can see the ownership and transaction history of NFTs, and no one can tamper with that information. So next technical aspect, very important, is token standards. When it comes to NFTs, there are two important token standards that you should know. So one is ERC 721 and the other one is ERC 1151. So ERC 721 token standard specifically designed for non-fungible token like NFT on the Ethereum blockchain. The thing that ERC 721 as a set of rules and guidelines that developers follow when creating and managing tokens. So each token is created using ERC 721, has its own special identifier called token ID. Okay, we will discuss it about a bit later. So which makes it different from every other token with the same contract. Okay. So this token standard has gained a lot of popularity, especially in the world of digital art and collectibles. So artists can now create their digital masterpieces or unique collectibles and tokenize them using ERC 721 and sell them on an NFT marketplace like OpenSea and all. So this helps the buyers the ability to own a digital asset with clear history of ownership and proof of authenticity. So let's talk about the ERC 1155. So this is another token standard on the Ethereum blockchain. So ERC 1155 takes a more versatile approach in tokenization. So ERC 721, 725, 721 is specially for non-fungible token. I already mentioned, but ERC 1151 is allow the creation of both fungible and non-fungible tokens with the same control. This means the developer can use ERC 1151 to create a single contract that support multiple type of tokens. So this is particularly useful in application in blockchain based gaming, where different item may have different characteristic. So ERC 1151 brings efficiency and flexibility to token management. So it reduces the cost associated with deploying multiple contracts and improves scalability. So this versatility opens up new possibilities for tokenization in different industries and applications. So now we'll look about token ID. So every NFT has a unique identifier called a token ID. It's like a digital fingerprint that set each NFT apart from others. So token ID is essential because it links the NFT to its metadata. So metadata is the contains all the information about the item and the content the NFT represent and all. Okay. So next we need to discuss about the ownership and token transfer. So ownership of an NFT is determined by the digital wallet. So that holds the private key associated with the specific NFT. So transferring ownership is as simple as conducting a blockchain transaction securely and moving one NFT from one account to another, right? So it's really happened in the OpenSea. So we are moving the CryptoPunks NFT from CryptoPunks account to the buyer account. So that's the one happening. So ownership history and transaction details are permanently recorded on the blockchain, ensuring the integrity of the ownership records. So okay. The blockchain networks relies on consensus mechanism to validate and secure transaction. So we need to talk about proof of work. So proof of work involves computational works to validate transaction, while proof of stake transaction based on the amount of cryptocurrency held by participants. So these mechanisms ensure that the trustworthiness and the integrity of the blockchain network and NFTs. So another important topic that we need to talk about is token minting and burning, because minting means creating a new NFT and assigning it to a unique token ID. Burning in the sense permanently removing the NFT from the circulation. Okay, so this happens in the gaming and all other stuff. So both the processes are executed through smart contracts. So we can't manually do anything. So which has predefined rules and the condition for managing NFTs. So smart contracts are the backbone of NFTs. So these self-executing smart contracts contain pre-programmed rules and conditions that automate the various processes associated with the NFTs, such as ownership, transfers, royalty distribution, and all. So smart contracts ensure transparency, enforce agreements, and make interaction with the NFT ecosystem. So I think about smart contracts, we already had a tech talk and we discussed about the smart contracts. All right, so we'll move to the real world example. So we already talked about art and collectibles in the beginning, right? So people artworks. So we already talk about that. So it costs 69.1. Is, some, is someone is talking to me? Okay. So people artworks. So every day, the first 500 days sold as an NFT for $69 million. And we already see about CryptoPunks. So it's already have 10,000 unique pixelated characters. So you can see in the screen. So these are the CryptoPunks. So, and also people also nowadays released a lot of series of NFT artworks. So in the different platform called Nifty Gateway. So that's also same as OpenSea. And we need to discuss about music. So you may have heard of the American rock band King of Leon. So they made waves in the music industry by releasing their own album. So when you see yourself, so that's the album, they make that as an NFT and they release it. So instead of traditional album release, they decided to explore NFT to offer a new way for fans to engage with their music. So This is a different kind of thing because music coming in NFT is different. So it's like they created a limited number of unique digital tokens that represent ownership of the album. These NFTs not only include the music, they also come with some exclusive artwork, behind the scene content, and even special perk like concert tickets or backstage passes likewise. So fans had the opportunity to purchase these NFT, essentially owning a special piece of the band history and gaining access to exclusive experience. So this move by Kings of Leon showcase how NFTs can be used to enhance the connection between artists and the fans. And another example we can say is Canadian musician Grims. So she sold her music as an NFT. So this means that fans had the chance to own a digital copy of her artwork, even a unique piece of music. So Grim utilized the blockchain to create limited edition of artworks. By purchasing these NFTs, fans not only obtain a piece of Grimm's art, they gain proof of ownership and the ability to resell or trade these digital assets. So these examples from King of Leon and Grimm's show that the possibilities that NFT brings to the music industries. So musicians can use NFTs to offer exclusive content, enhance fan engagement, and explore alternative revenue and streams beyond traditional album sales. Because if we have a specific NFT, we can sell it for $1,000 because we have lots of fans of there in the world. So it can be go resale and all. So this is how it NFT playing a big role in music, and we'll see what is the role of NFT in sports. So if you are a basketball fan, you might familiar with NBA Top Shot. So it's an innovative platform that allows fans to collect and trade officially licensed NBA highlights in the form of NFTs. So it's like collecting digital basketball card, but with the twist. Okay. So NBA Top Shots turn iconic moments from NBA games into unique and limited edition NFTs. So these moments could be breathtaking slam dunk and game winning shot or even a spectacular play. So fan can purchase these NFTs and own a piece of basketball history and even trade or sell them with other collectors. And also nowadays, a lot of sports teams have also started to explore the potential of NFTs. So the Golden State Warriors and the Dallas Mavericks, the two prominent NBA teams, have ventured into the NFTs. So these teams release their own NFT collections to offer their fans exclusive digital memorabilia and experience. So this could be include limited edition virtual trading cards, access to virtual events, or even unique perks like meeting the players, attending behind the scenes experience. So through these NFTs, sports team can deepen their connection with the fans and provide them with the memorable and exclusive opportunity. And now we need to talk about the gaming. So Axie Infinity. So it's a blockchain-based game that has gained the significant popularity in recent years. So in Axie Infinity, players can collect, breed, and battle creatures called Axies. So the Axies are represented as NFT with unique abilities and attributes. So players can buy, sell, and trade Axies with other players. So it will create a vibrant and decentralized gaming economy. Axis Infinity is a unique because players can earn real world rewards such as cryptocurrency by playing and participating gaming competition. So that's why this game is very famous. So this game showcase how NFTs can transfer gaming by providing player with true ownership of in-game assets. Okay, so these are the real world example that I have mentioned a few. So there are lots of stuff. So you can have a search on. And we'll move to the biggest topic. So NFT in Metaverse. So, Metaverse is a virtual world where people can interact, create, and engage in various activities. Because in Metaverse, you can have the past characters in your life, like who you need to have in your life. Likewise, we can create a separate world for us. So, it's literally kind of a different thing. So, in the metaverse, virtual land represent digital spaces where people can build and create, express themselves. It's also like a same as real world, but the one difference is it's virtual. So here that NFT allows individuals to own and trade parcels of virtual land. So just like physical real estate. But virtual land ownership provides a sense of exclusivity and creative freedom. So with NFTs, individuals can purchase digital plots of land and have full control over what they need to build. So whether it can be a home or business or even another virtual world through that land. So it depends on the person who is buying that virtual land. And beyond virtual land, NFT also enable ownership of virtual asset within the metaverse. So these assets can include digital artwork like clothing, accessories, virtual pets, or any other item that exists in the virtual. So NFT provide proof of ownership and authenticity for virtual assets. For example, imagine owning a unique virtual piece of art that you to collect. So and trade and showcase their virtual asset, giving them tangible value and creating new avenues for artists and creators to monetize their digital creation. And also, let's say if you are creating a virtual dresses to the gamers, so in that case, they can buy the NFTs and the proof of ownership is go to that person. And also NFT can enable cross-platform interoperability. So NFT can be designed to work across multiple virtual worlds like gaming platform and applications. So this means that you can own an NFT in one virtual world and you so transfer to another platform. It's like buying in virtual world called A and you can use it in a virtual world called B. So it's like that. So let's imagine you are buying a sword, virtual sword in the gaming. So you can able to use that same sword in complexity in different game or virtual experience. So you can sell the same sword to another virtual game buyer. So it can be like that. So this interoperability unlock new possibility for creators, players, and users, creating a more connected and dynamic metaverse ecosystem. So these are the stuff about NFTs. So let's say if you are more interested in NFTs and all, you can create some elements like hoodies or accessories or like vehicles. So you can sell it for metaverse because nowadays in the gaming, the people are expecting more features. So that is the one thing that we can do in a metaverse like a massive impact. Yeah. So about the learning material, you refer build space. So build space have lots of guiding material like how to mint NFT and how to create NFTs, minting 1,000 NFTs at a time. Likewise, it has lots of course, and Hashlip also having lots of different type of uh, activities that you can learn how NFTs are working and how to create it in your own. So just refer those two materials. If you need any other education materials, so please contact me. And also crypto zombies. Before trying these two, you can try crypto zombies because it's like it's already created one. You are just making changes and see how it will affect the NFT. So when you are doing crypto zombies, you can understand what is the exact thing happening in crypto NFTs. So it's like a basic that if your one change makes how many changes likewise, you can understand the basic. So I started with crypto zombies, and when I created those zombies, I was like I created NFTs, and it was a big thing. Likewise, I put it status and all. But now I realized that was a small thing because it was an automated system. So just try crypto zombies. After that, you can try build space and hash lips. And so you can refer like Cybercon, NFTs and all. They have lots of websites. Just you can go through how the NFTs are worked. Like they already have OpenSeas and Connect Wallet and all. Even they have lots of features in their websites, like different kind of NFT and how they can work. Even the apes has a good website, but nowadays they changed to another website. Before it was like one banana is falling from the top, so every apes came and pick it. So it was like that. So just have a look on different kind of NFTs. Yeah, that's all for today's session.